the Australian way to deal with a hangover. Okay. It's to drink more.
Well, can I just say that Sicilian Americans have heard of that tradition as well.
It's travelled. It's a well-travelled idea. You know, look, I think the most important... I can't even get in the glass. The most important thing is actually rehydrating your body. So this is
lots of water.
Lots of water.
This is true. When you go to bed, if you've had maybe a couple too many green beers, drink tons of water before you go to bed and first thing in the morning, right?
Exactly.
Rehydrate.
Exactly. Rehydrate.
And then start drinking again
and then
very soon
get
after.
Some champagne into your orange juice. That's, you know, the beautiful thing, especially, you know, still in these colder months, the citrus is so good. So I've got a blood orange, you know, which is a little fancier than just an orange juice.
I love blood orange.
Tangerine.
Can I have this one? Because it's a little tangier. Oh, a tangerine mimosa.
Tangerine.